Psalms 21, a Psalm of David. O Lord, the King rejoices in the strength you gave. He takes great delight in the deliverance you provide. You grant him his heart's desire. You do not refuse his request. Selah. For you bring him rich blessing. You place a golden crown on his head. He asks you to sustain his life, and you have granted him long life and enduring dynasty. Your deliverance brings him great honor. You give him majestic splendor, for you grant him lasting blessings. You give him great joy by allowing him into your presence. For the king trusts in the Lord, and because of the sovereign Lord's faithfulness, he is not offended. You prevail over all your enemies. Your power is too great for those who hate you. You burn them up like a fiery furnace. When you appear, the Lord angrily devours them. The fire consumes them. You destroy their offspring from the earth, their descendants from among the human race. Yes, they intend to do you harm. They dream up a scheme, but they do not succeed, for you make them retreat when you shoot your arrows at them. Rise up, O Lord, in strength. We will sing and praise your power.